Okay, number 14. So, and notice that some of these numbers skip because there were some in the original document that I really didn't want to do. So, you do not have to do them. They're marked with a big box and an X on your copy of the study guide. So just forget about them. Don't worry about it. So this one, number 14, determine whether the dilation from A to B. Okay, so that's our first little knowledge there. A to B. And that looks a whole lot to me like an enlargement. So there's our first clue. Okay, it's an enlargement, so our scale factor should be greater than 1. It should not be a fraction. Okay, and so we've already figured out that this is an enlargement. Okay, now we need to find the scale factor. So again, this guy's really easy. All you need to do is look at one side. So let's look at A and make sure they correspond. So this is 2. Okay, and let's look at this side. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and because our scale, come on. Oh yeah, why did this do it to me? Okay, so I'm going to shortcut here. So here's, this thing is not perfect by any means. This was 2, and this was 5. We know it's an enlargement, so we're going to find our scale factor. So the big number has to go on the top. Big number is 5. Smaller number is 2. This is our scale factor. We can't simplify it, okay, because there's no common factors between 5 and 2 except 1, and that doesn't count. So that's it. That's probably the easiest one in the bunch. We'll go on to the next one. Okay, let's find the value of x. Here's x down here. Okay. So, how would we do that? So we have 2 triangles. We have this little guy here. And then we have, I think, Christmas colors. Then we have the bigger one. Okay, so we have to compare corresponding angles. So on this side, you've got 2 sets of numbers, okay? So 12 is this little guy right up here, right, in the green. So this is 12. It's just this little part right here, so we can put him on the top. Okay. Now we need to compare that little triangle side to the whole big triangle side, which is this whole thing. Okay, so the whole length is 12 plus 36. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have to compare 12 to 48. Okay, and because these are similar, okay, we can compare them to this little part 9 over this whole part. Okay. And this whole part is equal to 9 plus x. Right? It's not just equal to x. X is just equal to this part. Okay, this is x. This is not x. Okay, the long one is not x. So we have to do a little algebra. So let's do some cross multiplying. Change color. 9 times 48 is equal to 12 times 9 plus x. Now this is going to get kind of big. So 9 times 8 is 72, carry the 7. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 7 is 43. Equals, we have to distribute the 12 over the 9 and the x, so 9 times 12, 9 times 2 is 18, carry the 1, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus x. So we subtract 108 from both sides. Okay, this goes away. We get 12 minus 8 is 4, 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 1 equals 3, equals x. X equals 324, and we're done. Okay, let's see what the next one is, if I can... no, this one's too long. Okay, so I'm going to stop here and then continue with number 16 on the next video.